One thing I've noticed throughout my 10 years of Forex trading experience is that beginner Forex traders often lose in the Forex market, not because they don't know how to trade, but because they are trying to catch a falling knife. What do I mean by trying to catch a falling knife? Trying to catch a falling knife in Forex trading just means you trying to trade against the trend. If the market is going up, you need to be trading with the market. If the market is going down, you need to be selling. If the market is bullish, you need to be trading with the bulls. If the market is bearish, you need to be trading with the bears. So what if I come on this video and I just plainly tell you there's a tool that can just directly tell you if the market is buying or selling with 100% accuracy. All right, with 100% accuracy. And I'm going to be showing you guys on this video, and then we're going to manually do back testing. We're going to manually go on our tests, on our charts, on TradingView to confirm if it's actually 100% accuracy. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ndemazeah, Godlove, and on this channel I share tips on trading, personal finance, and tips to help you stay profitable on a consistent basis. So if you want to gain more from my 10 years of trading experience, then make sure you smash that subscribe button below to subscribe to the channel so that anytime I upload awesome content like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Now, there's no delay, there's no intro on this video. Let's get straight into the video, and then we're going to be talking about this particular tool. Before we even go into the tool, when it comes to Forex trading, the market can be in the market can either be in three directions, up or down. Simple. Even when the market is consolidating, the overall, if you look for the overall direction, that consolidation will still either be a buy or sell. Full stop. The market can either be selling or buying. The market can either be bullish or bearish. The market can either be with more demand or with more supply. So all these terminologies, they just mean the same thing. More demand just means more buying. More buying is the same thing as more bullish, all right? More supply just means more selling. And more selling is the same as more bearish, the same thing, all right? The same thing for buy and sell. So before we even get to that, I wanted to just clarify so that you know at any point in time, the market is always in two directions, either up or down. And you only lose in Forex trading if you are trying to buy on a market that is selling, or if you are trying to sell on a market that is buying. So the tool we're going to be using on this video to show you guys with 100% accuracy how you can be able to easily determine the market direction and only trade with a trend is called Patrex Pro. So Patrex Pro is a 3 years in a row. I'm guess even if you haven't heard about Patrex Pro, it means you are surely living under the rock, right? Because the robot is everywhere, it's viral on the internet. Just go on Google and just type Patrex Pro. You see it everywhere. You see everywhere everyone talking about it. So we're going to be using this tool. This tool is not only for 100% plug and play, because the robot is 100% plug and play, but you can still use it to trade manually. Yes. You can still use this tool to trade manually. I had to make this video because if you check the Discord, that's the only bot that comes with the Discord community. If you check the Discord community for Patrex Pro with 7,300 traders who are using this robot, you will discover that some of them are manual traders and they want to only use the robot as a trade assistant. All right, they are manual traders. They want to only use the robot as a trading assistant. So I'm here for you guys. I'm here to show you guys how you can do that. And this will apply to any other beginner, intermediate, or advanced trader on the internet. Let's pick one chart and then I'll show you guys what I'm talking about, right? Let's just come here. Let me take one of my favorite, gold. Gold is right here. Let's not even go far, right? I'm just going to put this on 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It doesn't matter. The robot is going to know what you're trying to do, all right? The robot is going to know what you're trying to do. And talking about where you can get Patrex Pro, it's easy. You can just check the link on the video description and you get it from Godlove University, all right? Good. So let's just minimize this. And like I said, 5 minutes doesn't really matter. The chart doesn't matter. The robot will fix everything for you. Good. The other thing we just need to do is once you already purchase the robot from godloveuniversity.com, link is going to be on the video description. The other thing you just need to do, it comes with instructions. Don't worry, like how will I install it? How will I backtest it? How will I use it on Firms? How will I use it on my private account? The robot comes with all instructions on that, so you don't need to worry yourself. Assuming you've already purchase and install the bot on your computer, you have it like this. So I have a couple of bots here. This one is just Patrex Pro for the sake of this video. So I'm going to put my algo trading on, and I want to use this strictly for manual trading. So I'll show you the settings I'll be able to turn on if I want to use strictly for manual trading. Excuse me. So I come here and I just drag and drop on my computer. All right. When I drag and drop on my computer, the first thing I want to turn off is I want to put it on semi-auto. That's it. I want to put it on semi-auto, meaning I don't want the robot to just start opening trades on its own. I want to only use it for manual trading. So I turn it on to semi-auto. Then I'm just going to be using my lower TF. All these other parameters that they are explained when you get the bot. So I'm not going to be wasting time on that. I'm going to maintain my upper TF on H1, lower TF on M. On M5, let's see if we can drop the signal strength. Let's put our signal strength on 2. All right, or let's leave it on 1 since we want to be able to easily see the signal. Continue trade on exit first, and then we're just going to leave everything for what it is, because beside we are saying we're not going to be taking the trade. We don't want the bot to take the trade. We just want the bot to do the analysis on all time frames for us. All right, that's why even the lot size and all of that won't matter. If you want the robot to take the trade, do the analysis, the trade analysis and trade execution for you, you just come up here and you turn the robot to 100% auto. The bot is going to do everything for you: analyze, execute, manage your risks, manage your emotion, manage your money and everything. But now we just want to use it for auto. So put it on semi-auto, and then we click on OK. The moment we click on OK, this bot is going to take less than 1 minute to analyze from the 1 minute time frame right up to the monthly time frame. Are you doubting? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Can you see that? Can you see that? So, new signal, the time to take action. Okay. So let's go here. So we already had a signal. We already had a signal on this particular chart. So that's why immediately we drop the bot here. You see, it's already showing the signal we had right there. And this is an FTMO account, meaning you can use this bot on any pro firm or any private account, right? You can see up here, it says FTMO. So we're just going to drag. You can play around with this interface. You can play around with the interface, or you can just go here on, let's go here. Okay. Oh, I didn't put on this. So I want this interface to be on the left so that we can see our chart. You can see it took less than 4 seconds. Less than 4 seconds, and the bot already did analysis on all time frame. We're going to come back and start from the 1 minute time frame, and we're going to go right up to the monthly time frame. So I want this to be displayed by the left. So I'm just going to remove the bot again. Remove. And then we're just going to close that position that open. Let's close it. All right. Let's close that position that open. Good. And then we're going to come here again. We're going to come here and we just drag and drop our bot again. We drag and drop our bot. We put on allow modification and signal settings. And then here we can click here on OK. Here again, we're going to put this on what? On semi-auto. All right. Semi-auto. And then number of trades per day. I'm just going to put, let's just leave it the way it is. The way it is, and to even prevent, to make sure the bot is not going to open in trade, to make sure the bot is only going to show us the signal, I can go on where it says lot size and just put as big as possible so that the bot won't be able to open any trade, right? But just on semi-auto, it's still not going to open trade. I'm just saying you can also still have another layer that's still going to prevent your bot from not opening trade. So let's click on OK. Oh, let's put this on upper left. Let's put our panel on upper left. Click on OK. It's going to take us, boom, that's it. That's it. That's it. It took us less than 2 seconds for the market, for the bot to analyze all time frames. We're going to go one by one on all these time frames to confirm if the robot was correct. Now you can see this small panel here. This is all Patrex Pro. All right, this is Patrex Pro. If yours doesn't look like this, then you have actually purchased the fake version from one pirated website. All right, very, very important. You've actually purchased the fake version from one pirated website. 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes. M1 just stands for 1 minute. M5 stands for 5 minutes. M15 stands for 15 minutes. 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly, right up to the monthly. So let's start on the 1 minute time frame, and then we're going to do our analysis right up to the 1 month time frame to confirm if the board is correct. Because if the board is correct, I don't need to be wasting my time to do analysis. I just come on my chart, I drop the robot, put it on 100% auto, and then it's going to tell me what's happening. If I want to trade on the 1 hour time frame, it means I'm only going to be looking for sell opportunities on the 1 hour time frame, period. If I want to trade on the 4 hour time frame, it means I'm only going to be looking for sell opportunities on the 4 hour time frame because the market is selling on the 4 hour time frame. If I want to use it for maybe top-down analysis and I want to trade on a 30-minute time frame, I might use the 1 hour time frame to confirm that the market is on the same direction. Meaning if I want to trade on a 30-minute time frame and I see that, oh, the market is selling on a 30-minute time frame, I want the market to also be selling on the 1 hour time frame, or at least what I call, the robot also has something they call signal strength. Meaning if the robot even wants the signal to be more strength, to be more strong, the robot will check the 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame if you put it on 2 signal strength. Meaning before the robot click on sell on the 30-minute time frame, the board must have checked the 1 hour time frame, the 4 hour time frame to confirm that the market is all selling on those time frame. If it's signal strength, it will check the daily time frame as well. If it's signal strength 3, if it's signal strength 4, it means it will also check the weekly time frame. And before it sells on a 30-minute time frame, it will confirm it's selling on 1 hour, selling on 4 hours, selling on daily, and selling on weekly. So that's what they call signal strength on the board. But let's just say I'm just focusing on one time frame. I want to trade on the 30-minute time frame or the 50-minute time frame today. What's happening on the 50-minute time frame is simple. I can see the market is buying on the 50-minute time frame. I want to always be looking for buy opportunities on the 50-minute time frame until I come here and I see the arrow turns and tell me the market is now selling. Simple, nothing to complicate. Now let's go back now to confirm if our analysis was correct. We're going to use TradingView, right? And we're going to just open Go. And we can even just use, let's use GUORB so that this one, let's reconnect this one. And let's also reconnect this one, all right? Okay, that one is delaying. We can still use this one. We can still, let's just zoom it out so that you guys can see clearly. You guys can see clearly. We're going to delete all these tools so that they don't confuse you guys. Good. Let's start on the 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame, we can, let's zoom out so that you guys can see. 1 minute time frame, we don't even need to go far to confirm. Even if you want to do price action, you confirm the market is buying. If you want to use moving averages, you still confirm the market is buying. You can see we had a cross here where the fast moving average crossed over the slow moving average from above. This is a popular strategy. I've already taught you guys on this particular channel. So you can just check the video known as GUMVRO. Just check the video. Maybe I'm going to leave a link on the video description, or just go on my channel and type GUMVRO. It's going to be there. Simple. So we can already confirm just using moving averages that the market is buying. Even if we are using market structure, we can see the market already formed what? Higher lows, higher heights, higher lows. You can see the market already formed this. All right? Higher lows, higher heights, higher lows, higher heights, higher lows, higher heights, higher lows, and it's going to form another high height. And anytime you see the market doing what? It confirms an uptrend. So that's it on the 1 minute time frame. We've confirmed the market is buying on the 1 minute time frame. Let's go on the 5 minute time frame. Remember on the board, 1 minute time frame, what did it say? It's buying on the 1 minute time frame. Let's go on 5 minute. On 5 minute, without even going far, let's just remove this. Without even going far, you can already see we had the cross right here. So long as you see these two moving averages sloping upward with the fast moving average above the slow moving average, it's an uptrend, and the cross was right here. The opposite will happen if the slow moving average is above the fast moving average, is a downtrend. So that's clearly an uptrend on the 5 minute time frame. Let's quickly go to the 50-minute time frame to see. 50-minute time frame is the same thing. You can see we had a cross right here. This is where we had our cross, and the market is heavily buying on the 50-minute time frame. Let's go on the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute, what's happening on, oh, good. You can see very clearly on the 30-minute time frame. Let's just delete all of this. Come back here. We can put this here so that you guys can see very clearly. Good. You can see very clearly on a 30-minute time frame that the market is selling. We had a cross here where the fast moving average crossed over the slow moving average from above, confirming a sell trade. So it's selling onto, if we have another cross where the fast moving average cross over the slow moving average from below, that's where we're going to be confirming an uptrend. Even if you have to use price action, it's very, very simple. Even if you have to use price action, you will confirm the market is forming what? It's forming lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and then it's going to form another lower lows and then continue again. So you can already see clearly on a 30-minute time frame what's happening. The market is selling. That's why if you go to the board, 30 minutes time frame, the market is selling. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame to confirm. 1 hour time frame, we drop it here. Let's remove all indicators. The same thing, voila. That was our cross right there. The market is selling very, very heavily on the 1 hour time frame. Even if you zoom in, you can see the market is selling very, very heavily on the 1 hour time frame, meaning it might test this area possibly on the 1 hour time frame, and boom, you see it selling again very, very heavily. So we're just going to put an eye on that. That's a signal I'm already seeing. Then let's go to the 4 hour time frame to see what the heck is happening on the 4 hours. 4 hours, boom. Let's remove all indicators for clarity. 4 hours again, we had a cross right here. So the market is selling on the 4 hours. So the market is selling on 30 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours. 30 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours. But unfortunately, daily time frame, the market is instead telling, the bot is telling us that the market is buying on the daily time frame. If we go to the daily time frame, let's drop this. Daily should be boom. Let's see what's happening on the daily time frame. The bot is telling us the market is buying. Is that true? Let's zoom in and see what's happening on the day. I always like to put my charts so that I can see. Even without even going far, I can already see this. This is an uptrend on the daily time frame, very clear uptrend. And the moving averages almost crossed here, but they didn't. So still confirming an uptrend. Even if you want to do what? Market structure, you just have higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and all of that. So the market on a daily time frame is still in an uptrend. What is happening in the weekly time frame? Let's see weekly time frame. We drop this, remove this. Woo! Can you see this? Can you see that? Can you see the weekly time frame? We don't even need to go far. The market has been bullish on the weekly time frame for how long? Meaning if you were trading on a weekly time frame and you took a trade, let's zoom in this. I can't even see, guys. This is right from Monday, the 3rd of October, 20. This is 20 what? 2023. Gold has been bullish on the weekly time frame since October 2023. That's for almost 2 years. All right, for almost 1 year, 6 months. Gold has been bullish. Meaning, if you came here on October 23, 2023, just buy gold and forget, with maybe $10,000. By now, you'd have been standing on maybe $200,000. All right, so you don't even need to go far. Gold is bullish on the daily on the weekly time frame. What about the monthly time frame? Let's see. That's where we're going to end. Monthly time frame, gold has been bullish since 1st of December 2022. Gold has been bullish on the monthly time frame. And you can see the same thing. Go back here. Bullish on monthly, bullish on weekly, bullish on daily, then bearish on 4 hours days. The same thing we saw has just been confirmed using our bot, using our trade assistant. So can you see the reason of saying having an all-in-one bot? Because you can use this as plug and play board where it does everything for you. You can use it to trade manually. Even if you are trading with ICT, support and resistance, smart money concept, fair value, any strategy you're talking about, even GU, MVRO, you can use this board to confirm your market direction like a pro. This is a secret. Most of the traders in the 7,300 Discord community, the 7,300 traders who are using Patrex Pro, this is one of the secrets they've been using. I was like, okay, I'm going to bring it to the public. I'm not going to keep it like a secret anymore. Go and use any other tool. At the end of the day, this is the other tool that's going to give you 100 accuracy on the direction of the market. Go and do your homework. Go and do your backtesting. That's not only on Go. Let's open another pair for you guys to see. Let's just open any random pair. Let's open AUD card. All right, just one pair that many people don't even trade. Let's open AUD card. The chart is on the 1 hour time frame. I'm not changing anything. I'm just dragging my Patrex Pro and I'm dropping on the chart. Let's see. I'm dragging Patrex Pro. I'm dropping on the chart. I'm just going here, confirming allow modification. And then I'm going to turn this to semi-auto. And then where it says lot size, is it on semi-auto? I just need to confirm. Where it says lot size, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Our lot size is right here. I'm just going to put one big thing so that it doesn't open our trade, right? Just going to put like 1 million lot size so that it doesn't open in a way. I want our panel to be on upper left. So I want the display to be on upper left. Everything. Remember, you can still choose if the chart should display the signal. Look, display chart signals. Display chart signal. If I put this on false, you won't see those analysis on the chart anymore. The robot will just do the analysis, but it won't display it. It will always send you a notification on your phone, but it won't be displayed right here. But I want it to be displayed here, and this is what? This is AUD card, and we're just going to keep everything for what it is and click on OK. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Some can take up to 2 minutes. You can see it says, what's it? Look. Patrex Pro AI is analyzing the market. So give the robot some space, give the robot some time, but in less than 2 minutes, it's going to analyze all the time frame, all right? In some chart, it's less than 2 seconds, less than 5, so it just depends. Let's drop it again on another chart, just so if you are waiting that one, let's drop it on USD JPY. Let's drop on USD JPY. The market is selling like crazy on USD JPY. So we come here, we drop our board, we change this to semi-auto, and then we come down here, we put our lot size on, can you hear the sign? AUD card, new signal detected. Look, new signal detected on AUD card, time to take action. Look at what the bot is saying right here. So it means the bot has already analyzed everything on AUD card. So we're going to go back to that. Let's just put our lot size here to be like something very, very big. And then we're going to put our panel on open left as usual. Boom, boom. That's it. So let's give this one 2 seconds. This one took 2 seconds to analyze all time frames. All time frames from 1 minute right up to monthly. Pick any one for us to just confirm. Let's just pick 1 hour. One of your favorite 1 hour time frame. What's happening on the 1 hour time frame? Let's go on trading view on USD JPY. And then we drop this to 1 hour. Let's see what's happening in the 1 hour time frame. Okay, we just need to zoom this. Remember, we're on the monthly, so 1 hour we need to do a lot of zooming. Good. Do I even need to go far? Even for those of you guys trading with GUMVRO, watch out for a key signal that's going to be forming. A key bullish signal that's going to be forming on USD JPY. GUMVRO is simple. Let me just take that advantage to show you guys. So long as you've already confirmed your cross on GU on the moving averages, if the market is buying or selling, here we can confirm the market is buying. So now we would have entered here, go for a risk to reward of 1:2, but it would have already been late. So in that case, we wait for a pullback. We would have gotten in here again, gotten out, gotten in here, got out. And then since we are there, we can use our FIPS, withdraw it from the most significant swing low to the most significant swing high. We wait for the market to push back to a 50, 38 to 61, close as bullish for us to take a trade. So the next candle that close as bullish on USD JPY, we're going to be taking a trade. That's a key signal I'm already giving you guys. So you're just going to be watching. If the next candle close bullish, you're going to enter on a buy. You're going to enter something like this on a buy. If the next candle close bullish, say here, you're going to enter on a buy. Stop loss will go somewhere here. And you go for a risk to reward of 1:2. That's it. That's a key signal I'm already giving you guys. All right. But that's not the purpose of the video. Let's delete all of this. And you can confirm the market is buying like crazy on the 1 hour time frame. 30-minute time frame, what's happening? 30-minute time frame, the market is still buying. Let's see 50-minute time frame, what's happening? 50-minute time frame, the market is selling. And you go on the robot, 50-minute time frame, market is selling. Do we even need to go far? AUD card, if you want to confirm, let's go to AUD card to see what AUD card said. If you go on AUD card, you can confirm everything. That's it again. From the 1 minute time frame right up to the 1 hour time frame, AUD card is buying like crazy. So even if you are trading on the 5 minute that day and you want to do your top down analysis, you say, okay, I'm going to check the 50-minute time frame and the 30-minute time frame, and I'll only take a trade on the 5-minute time frame if those two time frames are on the same direction. That's called top down analysis. No other person should come here with jargons trying to bring big terminology and confuse you. That's top down analysis, simple. Keep it simple, guys. So that is it. I don't even need to go far. That is a tool for you guys. You guys should take advantage of this tool while it's still available for the public, because there are rumors that maybe by the end of this year, Patrex Pro might not be available for the public anymore because this is the same bot that is used by institutions and this is the same bot that is used by banks. So the only website you can buy Patrex Pro is Godlove University/Patrex Pro, and you'll find the link on the video description. If you're buying it from any other website, you're going to be scammed. You're going to be buying the pirated versions, and those versions might have viruses. They might have malwares installed in them to steal your funds. So don't go around on the internet looking for cheap versions of Patrex Pro. That's just a warning I'm giving you guys. And again, make sure you join my free Telegram community, link on the video description. Check out my mentorship program if you want me to mentor you one-on-one. Check out Godlove University, link on the video description. And if you want to see Patrex Pro passing a funded challenge in 1 day, check the link of the videos that are going to be coming at the end of the screen. And as always, see you guys on this other